Hello, this is kind of a part 2, I guess. This is going to be removing the rear seat seat belts, actually would be the middle row of seat belts from a 2021 Ascent, Subaru Ascent. If you have any questions about this later on, if you can't remember something or you need some help, post a comment below. If I can't help you, someone else probably can. So without a whole lot of other fluff, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and figure this stuff out as I'm going, because I haven't done one of these yet. So we'll figure it out. So if you look down here, I don't know if you can see my arm. There we go. Down here, there's a piece of plastic that snapped into the floor that you're going to want to pop loose. There we go. Looks like that. Okay. That piece of plastic comes out. It's going to give me access to the bottom of here. I'm also going to need to pop this column here apart. So let me pull a bolt out of this. Okay. Okay, this is going to be interesting because something's got to go through this hole for me to be able to get the seatbelt out of here. So let's see here. Okay, there we go. Pulling things apart. We'll go ahead and pull this rubber strip off. Pull just out. Screw in here or something? No? No? Okay, so the seatbelt module is right here. Okay. Sorry I can't move that seat up any farther. I don't think I can, at least. All right, so let's see if we can get something in here to take that out. This thing's being a bit of a pain. Let's see if I can get this. Where's my trim tool? There's my trim tool, right there. Right there, okay, it's trim tool. Now, this is a big boy, but they've got thinner ones. I am going to pop this loose. There we go. And is there a screw in there? There is. Okay, I'll be right back. There we go. Here's an impact with a Phillips on it. Zip this out. Come on. There we go. Now I got the front seats, as you notice over here. I've got the front seats in the back of the very back of the car. And the idea there is to get them the heck out of my way so I'm working in the front. Now, this is the problem with recording a video like this while I'm trying to figure it out, is end up with a discovery process. Now there is a, hang on a second, let me see if I can get the let me see if I can move the camera here. Up we go. I'm gonna move you back to right here, okay? Okay, well, let me get you stable. There we are. Okay, down here, I'm going to take this trim tool here. I'm going to pop this cable stake out of here. Okay, I'm going to pop. Okay, that guy's going to stay on there. I'm going to just pull up on the back of here. There we go. Okay, there's that whole step. So now that I have that loose, now, you know what? I'm almost afraid to think that This whole back seat may need to come out. Move you over a little bit here. Turn you back a little. Let's see, okay. Now, this is not going to be one of my best videos because okay, I'm going to put my trim tool under here. Excuse me. Try popping this guy out. Oh, wow. I'm going to pry on things and see if they break. Okay. Screw. You know, I don't know if you guys would rather see me try to figure this stuff out, or if you'd rather let me do one side and then just come in and show you how to do it the quick way. I may call this video fumbling through the other seatbelt. But I mean, it's a good learning experience. You kind of learn as I learn by doing it completely wrong. I'm going to pop the back door. All right, I'm also going to take some seats out. Maybe just one. Spare plastic bits everywhere. Scratch up the interior too much. Ah, hell, I'll just take this out. Whoop, walked on the seatbelt. There we go. Oh. Thank goodness the rear seats weren't triggered. Otherwise I'd be paying a lot more money. I'm gonna take all my spare airbag plastic, put it in the very back of the vehicle. Got another video showing how to take the roof out. So if you think that would be helpful for you, well, it should be in my other videos. All right, let's take a look here. I don't want to take this back seat out. Come on. Might be necessary. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. There's a piece of plastic I popped out of here earlier. Come on, there. Come on, don't break. Making breaking noises. Oops, looks like I got a little bit of a break here. Okay, this has little plastic clips. Go all the way around. Looks like I broke one of them right here. So just watch out for this close corner here. Now, how the heck am I going to get this seatbelt module out of here? Okay. I just pulled down. Oops, here. Let me see if I can. I just pulled down on the white piece here, and I was able to get the let's see here. Okay, hang on. All right, so let's go up into here. Okay, what I'm going to do is show you back down here again. Let's see if you can see that. Yep, yeah, you can see it. Okay. There is a bolt down here that holds the bottom of that seat belt. So I'm going to take my big boy here. Take that guy out right there, okay? Now what that's going to do is this has a nice, now let's put you back up here. Okay, you can see good, okay. See well, gotta use proper English. Okay, so, you can pull all that through. And I'll set that guy off to the side without breaking it back there. Now, all I have to do is unplug and unbolt the bottom part of this. I don't know if this one's pre-tensioned. Hope it's not. Cheaper if it's not. Cheaper to have rebuilt. Aha! Okay. I'm going to need to go get my ratcheting wrenches. And it looks like there's a plug and 2 bolts that I need to take out. So hold right there, don't go anywhere. Okay, this isn't good. I'm missing my 14 out of the kit. Oh, plastic bit, plastic stake I need to put in here. I see, I think I see. Let's see where it goes here. Oh, right there. Now, I think that one of these bolts is a 14. I'll try a 15 on it, see if it. Yep, that's a 14, all right. So, let me get my 12. Try to get the upper one. Nope, it's 10. Okay. Oh. All right. Once I bust it loose, it looks like I can just spin it out with my finger. Okay, now I'm also going to take my trim tool. I'm going to pop off the little yellow cable, yellow and black cable on the back of here. And just get it underneath there and pry on it. And it'll just don't get crazy on it with prying too hard. It should just pop right out. Yeah, it just did. Okay. So now I got one more 14mm bolt holding this in, and I'll show you how it all went together. I know you really can't see much from the picture, but you'll get you'll be able to see it once you're in there. Just a second. Okay, I'm back. I've got a 14 here. It is non-ratcheting, so it's like caveman tools, but that's okay. Let's see if I can get in here. Push this out far enough. There we go. Okay, now. This is how people's hands get all cut up. Pushing plastic bits out instead of taking them off. Probably a smarter way to do this, but this is my trying to figure it out method. Okay, you should probably try not to drop this, because if you do, you're going to be taking that panel off. Now, okay, here's a seatbelt. Okay, whoop, my plastic stakes just fell. Son of a bitch. Alright, sorry, I probably shouldn't swear. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this guy up as well. And this is going off to Safety Restore, the company that I use to rebuild my seat belts. Send them off to them, they rebuild them, send them back to me. They show up basically like this in a box, and it's just a matter of getting things back in the same way they came out. If you like the video, hit like. If you like this style of video, make a comment saying you like this style. I don't know if you'd rather have me fumble my way through it, or whether you'd like to see the finished product. But if you like the video, like. But if you want to subscribe, if you feel like getting more of this stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe. Other than that, have yourself a great day, and I've really enjoyed giving this video to you, so have a great day.